the most terrifying things in the vast expanse of space? Welcome to our cosmic adventure where we'll be diving into the unknown dangers of the cosmos. In this countdown, we will unveil 5 of the most fearsome aspects of the universe. From the invisible threat of cosmic radiation to the crushing isolation of the void, we're in for a thrilling exploration. So brace yourselves for a journey like no other. Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this thrilling journey through the cosmos. Starting at number 5, we have cosmic radiation. Now, what's this all about? Cosmic radiation, in simple terms, are high-energy particles that zoom through space at nearly the speed of light. Originating from the sun and other celestial bodies, these particles can be harmful if you're exposed to them for too long. Imagine you're an astronaut, out there in the vast expanse of space. These invisible particles are constantly bombarding you, penetrating your spacecraft and even your body. Sounds scary, right? Well, it is. Prolonged exposure to cosmic radiation can lead to serious health issues like cancer and damage to the nervous system. But don't worry, our space agencies are well aware of this danger. They've developed advanced shielding technologies and rigorous health protocols to protect astronauts. So, while cosmic radiation is an ever-present threat in space, we're continually finding ways to keep our astronauts safe. Imagine being constantly bombarded by invisible deadly rays. That's the reality of cosmic radiation. At number 4, we encounter a man-made menace, space debris. Orbiting our planet are millions of tiny fragments, remnants of our ventures into the cosmos. These fragments, collectively known as space debris, are a byproduct of everything from spent rocket stages, defunct satellites, to collision fragments and even lost astronaut tools. The problem lies not in their existence, but in their velocity. Traveling at speeds of up to 17,500 miles per hour, these unassuming objects have the potential to cause catastrophic damage to satellites and spacecraft. Imagine, a fleck of paint at that speed could crack a spaceship window. This is not a hypothetical scenario, but a growing concern among space agencies worldwide. With the increasing number of satellites and space missions, the risk of collisions rises exponentially. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember, a tiny bolt traveling at incredible speed can turn into a lethal bullet in space. The third most terrifying thing in space is the enigma we call black holes. Black holes are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. Think of them as cosmic vacuum cleaners, sucking in everything that comes too close. They are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity after exhausting their nuclear fuel. This collapse results in a point of infinite density called a singularity hidden inside a boundary known as the event horizon. Anything that crosses this horizon is lost to the black hole's insatiable hunger. Even time itself is distorted, slowing down as one approaches the event horizon. Black holes are powerful and destructive, and yet fascinating. They are a testament to the unfathomable forces at play in our universe. In their all-consuming darkness, they hold secrets about the very fabric of our reality. Black holes, the devourers of the cosmos, are indeed a force to be reckoned with. Coming in at number 2 is the vacuum of space. Here, there's no air to breathe, no pressure to hold you together. It's a vast, silent void where even sound can't travel. If exposed without protection, the human body would expand but won't explode, contrary to popular belief. The real danger is the lack of oxygen, causing unconsciousness in just 15 seconds. It's a stark reminder of how inhospitable the cosmos can be. In the vacuum of space, no one can hear you scream. And the number 1 most terrifying thing in space is isolation. Imagine being confined to a small enclosed space for months on end, with the only human interaction being the voices of your fellow astronauts and the occasional video call home. This is the reality for those brave souls who venture into the cosmos. The psychological effects of such isolation can be profound. Feelings of loneliness, boredom, and even depression can set in, making the mission all the more challenging. Astronauts are not left to fend off these effects alone, however. Rigorous mental health screenings and support systems are in place, both before and during the mission. They undergo extensive psychological training to prepare for the emotional toll of being isolated in an environment as harsh and unforgiving as space. Yet despite these measures, the challenge remains. The human mind is not built for such isolation. In the vast expanse of space, isolation can be a silent killer. There you have it, the top 5 most terrifying things in space, from the unseen dangers of cosmic radiation to the ever-looming threat of space debris. We've delved into the mysteries of black holes and the sheer emptiness of the vacuum. And let's not forget the profound isolation that can creep up on even the most hardened of astronauts. Each point serves as a stark reminder of the challenges that await us beyond our atmosphere. Remember, space is as terrifying as it is fascinating, and it always keeps us on our toes.